Ellen, today's hello. Today's topic nanotechnology. Nanotechnology means the nano, the words of a nano, that Greek word. Okay, the Greek word nano means called as a one ballithon. Nano means the small particles. Okay, the nano means called the small particles. In that nanotechnology, that nano means the nanometer, that related for the word related to the basic information. Nano means nanometer is the unit of a length in the metric system, that equal to the one ballithon of the meter, that is related to the 10 raised to minus 9. Okay, and that technology means the it is the making and uses and the knowledge of the tool and machine technique in the order to solve the problems or perform the specific function. Means technology मध्ये काय केलं जातं, टेक्नॉलॉजी मीन्स इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अ व्हॉट इज अबाउट द डिफरन्स इन बिटवीन द सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी. फर्स्ट विल बी एक्सप्लेन यू. Science means the it is the method, that way to gaining the knowledge of the particular subject through the observation and the experiment. Means science means the it is the method that gaining the knowledge of the particular subject and that observation and एक्सपेरिमेंट मीन्स सायन्स मध्ये कशाचा स्टडी केला जातो, नॉलेजचा, आणि त्या पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्टचा. त्या पर्टिक्युलर सब्जेक्टचा जर स्टडी करायचा असेल तर तो कसा केला जातो, बाय ऑब्झर्वेशन किंवा एक्सपेरिमेंट करून केला जातो. तर टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये काय केलं जातं, टेक्नॉलॉजी मध्ये दॅट टेक्नॉलॉजी मीन्स इट इज अ प्रॅक्टिकल ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ अ सायंटिफिक नॉलेज फॉर द व्हेरियस पर्पजेस. मीन्स याच्यामध्ये ऍप्लिकेशन यूज केल्या जातात. कशाचे, प्रॅक्टिकल ऍप्लिकेशन यूज केल्या जातात सायंटिफिक नॉलेज नुसार, आणि ते व्हेरियस पर्पजेस साठी त्याचा यूज केला जातो. इट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ technology. And that basically science is also useful, also useful our, and it is also depend means in that case science means does not change with the time. Okay, science is does not change with the time, but technology changes continuously with the time. Science does not change with the time, but in the technology which change with the continuously with the time. For example, science related the Newton's laws of motion, that all and ever, that Newton's laws of world, basically first law, second law, third law, not change. They explain that definition, that statement also continue. Means it not changes with the time, but technology it is also continuously changes with the time. Means many experiment related with the time, so technology also changes. Means that basically technology means it is the making and uses the knowledge of the tools and machine technique in the order to solve the problem or performance of the specific function. It is called as a technology. So our unit is a nano technology. The basic defined terms about the nano and what is meant by the technology. Okay, so nano is the nanometer is the unit of the length in the metric system, and it is equal to the one of the ballithon. Okay, so nanotechnology means the specific nano crystal structure in the showing in figure, such a 1 nanometer, 10 nanometer, 100 nanometer, 1 micrometer, 10 micrometer, and 100 micrometer. Such atom, then small molecules, then fluorescent, that protein related, then collide golds, then bacteria, then animal cells, that count by the very small unit. Okay, that very small means it is hard to imagine just a small nanotechnology. Means that the 1 nanometer means called as a 1 ballithon of that meter, or that related to the 10 raised to minus 9 of a meter. Means nanometer, that value related for the 10 raised to minus 9 of the meter. And that also range of these nano materials, that range of the science range of this size is 1 to 100 nanometer also in the nanotechnology. Basic example of the nanotechnology, suppose जर आपण बघितलं की अर्थ आहे, अर्थ एक आहे बिग मॉलिक्यूल. ओके, सो अँड देन फुटबॉल, इट इज अ स्मॉल. means as compared to the earth and football, that football is the nano materials, that is such a big part, the small part of the football. Earth is a large big part, and then the football is the small part. Such a structure like the nanomaterials. Okay, understand, that called as a nanomaterials. Next, the basically types of a material. First, describe this and then explain to the types of a nanomaterials. So first type of a material, in that materials means the metallic, also the non-metallic. Metallic means the good conductor of the heat and electricity, and non-metallics means the not good conductor of the heat and electricity. Then it is also high melting point and boiling point of metallic, and non-metallics means the non sorry that low melting point and the boiling point. And it become the example related for the metallic means the ferrous material, steel, then iron. Such example related for the metallics. And then non ferrous material also use, that non ferrous materials means the copper, nickel, zinc and tin also use in the metallic. And then non-metallic, that is a ceramic, glass, polymers, wood, then cement, stone, plastic, rubber. Such example of the non-metallic, that related differentiate part used for the nanotechnology of the material. So that type of a material basically metallics and the non-metallic. Metallic mean the good conductor of the heat and electricity. Non-metallic means the no, not good conductor of the heat and electricity. Okay, then next one, the type of nanomaterials. The types of nanomaterials means the zero dimension types of a nanomaterial. That types related for the zero dimensional, 0D, then one dimensional, two dimensional and the three dimensional. Means the zero dimensional, zero dimensional means the all the dimensions are reduced to the nanometers range. All the dimension that reduces to the nanometers in the range. That movements of a electron is restricted in the all the three direction, that is x, y and z, that's showing in the figure x, y and z. Okay, so first that example related to the quantum dots and the nanoparticles related for the zero dimension. That zero dimension, the quantum dot of the motion is confined in the all the dimension x, y and the z. Okay, then next is the one dimensional. One dimensional, that is a type related for the type of the nanomaterial. So that types of a nanomaterial that categorize classified, that the zero dimensional, one dimensional, two dimensional and the three dimensional. So one dimensional means the these two dimension are reduced to 2 nanometers. Okay, in that condition all dimension reduced in the nanometer range means called the zero dimension. One dimension means the two dimension are reduced to the nanometers of the range, that one dimension remains the large. means two dimension reduce होतात, एक dimension मात्र large राहते. कशामध्ये? one dimensional मध्ये of the electron is allowed to move from the one dimension, and that example is the nanowires and the nano rod. Okay, so one dimension, in that condition the two reduces, one is the large. Okay, one is the large, two is the reduces, and that example is the quantum wires, and that motion is not confined for the one dimension. Okay, that one is the larger. Then next is the two dimensional means 2D. In this, one dimension is confined to the nanometers range and two dimension remains the large. Two dimension remain the large. In that condition, two dimensional means the one dimension is confined to the nanometers in the range and two dimension remain in the large. याच्यामध्ये एक dimension large होती, two dimension मध्ये two dimension is the large of the electron. It is allowed to move along the two direction, and that example is the nanowell, nanofilm, that is the nano coating. Okay, that two means here condition the two dimension will be the large. Okay, then next is the three dimension. In that condition the three dimension means the in this there is a no confinement in the nano range. Okay, because three are the larger one. Okay, then this the nano range, the electron movement is allowed in all the direction of x, y and z direction. So in terms of that material is the bulk in the form. So bulk nanomaterials or the nano powders. Okay, means in the condition x, y, z, there three are the larger in the terms. Okay, X, Y, Z, there three are the larger. In that condition, two are larger, in one larger, and in that conditions, all the dimensions are the reduces in the nanometers. So often the nanometers in the quantum dots also, and the nano particles, means zero dimension will be formed in the nanomaterials. Okay, basic important related for the zero dimension will be formed in the quantum dots and the nano particles. Such a types of materials will be classified in the dimensional ratio. Then next one is the related of the nanomaterial, that the size, shape, size. Okay, that size and shape depends the properties of the nanomaterials, means the physical and chemical properties of the nanomaterial are closely related on the size and the shape of a nanomaterials, means that the nanomaterial have the high percentage of the surface atom as compared to the bulk. Okay, nanomaterials मध्ये percentage surface atoms काय असणार आहे, high असणार as compared to the bulk. Okay, and that which various properties are the affected in that, and that various such property affected means the optical, magnetical, electrical, electronic, such a property affect to these the size and the shape of the nanoparticles, means that the nanomaterial also exhibit the shape which is depends in the properties that useful for the application, such as the applications, means that the nanoparticle that exhibit the shape, and that shape is depend on the properties that are useful for the application, that such application is a catalysis, then data storage, then optics, and then study this shape depend the properties is quits and the complex, means such a property will be studied for the shape because of the quit for the complication. Then reductions of this size is affected by the various properties such as the melting point, then band gap, then reactivity, then mechanical property, optical property, magnetic property, and electrical and electronic property. Means the nanomaterial जर आपल्याला स्टडी करायचं असेल तर बेसिक त्याचा आपण साईज आणि शेप, त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर बघितल्यानंतर जसं जसं त्याच्या सरफेस एरियामध्ये चेंज होईल, त्याच्या व्हॉल्यूमच्या रेशोमध्ये प्रत्येक गोष्टींमध्ये काय काय चेंजेस होतो, आणि दॅट चेंजेस मीन्स दॅट प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड इन बिटवीन द optical, electrical, magnetical, and electronic property that affect on the size and shape of the nanomaterial. Such briefly study to the next also. So such a diagrammic representation related for the size and shape of the nanomaterial. So bulk materials, seen the bulk material means that the bulk material is the, in that bulk it is non-confined in the all the three dimensions, mean the all the three direction x and y z are the larger in. Okay, that the bulk material, in that the surface area increases. Okay, surface area increases means that small it is a cut into the small particles. Okay, so form to the nanomaterials, means surface area increases the nanomaterials. Okay, in the second diagram that shows the ratio of h and d, means height related and the diameter related ratio. In first figure, height and diameters of the wires are the larger in height and also diameter. In second step it is equal to, so change the these materials in that the shape. Okay, that shape will be changed, means h is equal to d, the shape of this material will be such like form, and then again the h which is less to less than the d, means height is less than to the d, then form to the disc skin, and that time the disc forming the natures of the height related to the diameter, such a material will be as shown in the figure. So such changes of the material particle changes the size and shape depends upon the surface area and their the materials positions of a shape and size. So briefly study in magnetical, optical, and electrical. So next is some basic point related for the melting point also. So melting point depends on the size, the nanoparticles materials, that size also depends upon the melting point. Okay, so melting point that the start from the energy balance, that it means the changing internal energy, that changing internal energy, that change factor u. Okay, that change u, that is a melting internal energy, that change in entropy per unit mass during the melting, that independent of the temperature. Means in the condition the entropy will be changed, entropy change per unit the mass in that melting point, it is independent upon the temperature. Means it is independent on the temperature. So that formula, it is not basic related for the our syllabus, only such a factor depend upon the size, so melting point also, and that melting point the formula related to the that 2 T naught sigma L rho L R. Such derivations that define these briefly terms is the deviations of the melting point in the bulk value. Then T naught is a bulk melting point, and then sigma, that rho sigma denoted by the surface tension coefficient for the liquid and solid interference. Rho is the particle density, R is the particle radius, and L is the latent heat. Such a size of the nanoparticle which is also depend upon the melting point, and that melting point, some basic that assumption related to the melting point means the that means lowering of the melting point is proportional to the 1 divided by the R, and that the change factor, it is a large for the couple to 100 degree when the particle size get to the 10 nanometer. And then most of this time, and sigma, the surface tensions of the coefficient for unknown measuring the melting point of that the function of a radius, that sigma can be estimate. Means that the melting point, so example related for the melting point for the nano particle embedded in the matrix, nanoparticle embedded in the matrix, melting point may be lower or higher depending on the strength of the interaction in between the particles and the matrix. Most important, the melting point may be lower or higher, that melting point must be lower and the higher, that depends on, कशावर डिपेंड्स आहे, the strength of the interaction between the particles and the matrix. It is depend upon the interaction in between the particles and the matrix. Just a notable point related for the our syllabus means the melting points, that melting points which is depend on the size, and that depends upon the size is the strength of interaction in between the particles and the matrix also. Then next these melting points graph related to that melting point of the example related for the gold nanoparticles. So melting point of the gold nanoparticle decreases, the particle size decreases below the 5 nanometers. That the example related for the gold of nanoparticles. Means melting point of a gold nanoparticle decreases, the particle size also decreases. Means melting point decreases, the gold particle size also decreases. Okay, the particle size of a nanometer, and then such the melting point. So melting point will be decreases, the particle size of a gold nanoparticle also decreases. Then next related terms for the band gap. Band gap means the energy separation, that concept well known seen into the semiconductor also. The band gap means, band gap is the energy separation in between the conduction and the valence band. In bulk materials means the large form, the bulk material, there are 10 raised to 23 atoms on the surface. Bulk materials, there are consider the 10 raised to 23 atoms in the surface. So large numbers of atom means, bulk means the large. Okay, so large numbers of atom means the large numbers of energy state, and so band gap is a less. Important point, the bulk material, suppose the large numbers of atom means the large energy state, and so band gap is the less. So seen the bulk material, that diagram also clearly seen to bulk material, so large in the surface area of that atom, so band gap will be the less. And then second diagram related for the nanomaterials means, as we go in the nano range, no numbers of atoms decreases from to 10 to 1000 atom, so energy state decreases, the energy state decreases, the band gap is the more in the nanomaterials. In the simple normal for the bulk material, the band gap will be the less. In nanomaterials, the band gap will be the more. Okay, so next is the basic the properties related, means the properties of the nanomaterials. The properties of a nanomaterial, first one is the mechanical property, then optical property, and then electrical property. So briefly study the first of all, see to the mechanical property. Mechanical properties of the nanomaterial means the increases with decrease in the size. Okay, mechanical properties of a nanomaterial increases with decrease in the size, means nanomaterial increases, the size become decreases, because the smaller the size, lesser the probability of finding imperfection such as the dislocation and vacancies and the grain boundaries, means that formation into the such a mechanical properties that will be seen to the modulus also. Young's modulus means the materials, rod materials, it become, means mechanical properties means basically the mechanical properties that material which is depends upon. Mechanical property means the mechanical property, the material will depends upon the composition and the bond in between the atom. Composition, the band in between the atom. The mechanical properties like the elasticity, then ductility, then hardness, etc., that result often into the mechanical property. In that, the strength of material improve significantly, the particle size decreases due to the perfect defect of the free surface. Okay, then hardness, means hardness, and yield strength, means elasticity point, that the largest point related for the yield strength. Okay, the hardness and yield strength of the material also increases as a particle size is the decreases. The hardness and yield strength of the material also increases as particle size is decreases. And then next is the elastic modulus and the toughness. Elastic modulus and toughness of the material also increases as particle size decreases. Then next, related for the optical property, means optical properties, that optical properties, numbers of optical properties depends upon. Optical properties means the colors of a nanoparticle are different from the colors of the bulk materials, means that condition, the color of these nanoparticle from the different from the colors of bulk material. means bulk materialचा जो कलर्स असेल, जेव्हा ऑप्टिकल प्रॉपर्टी यूज केला जातो तेव्हा कलर्स तो काय होतो, चेंज होत जातो. ओके, that related to the optical properties. In that, the optical properties, mainly these material dimension has affected on the size, depends due to the surface plasma resonance, then quantum size effect. Such a optical properties related for the quantum size. Okay, so surface plasma resonance, that property related for the optical. In that optical, the SRP process take place, means the surface plasmion resonance that take place in the coherent oscillation and conductions of the band electron of the interaction in the electromagnetic field. And that electromagnetic field, the take place when the nanoparticle is smaller than wavelength of the incident radiation, means that these material, in the case of metal, the nanoparticles such as the gold of a nanomaterial, gold of the nanoparticles, means gold in the form, the colors of a nanoparticle different from the colors of a bulk material आपण आता assign केले, means that the nano particles of this gold are given in a bright red color. Okay, ब्राईट रेड कलर फॉर्म होतो आणि त्याच्या इनसाइड मध्ये काय असतो, इन्स्टेड ऑफ द येलो अपियर फ्रॉम द बल्क. ओके, इन द gold. And such that optical phenomena, the light and electrical field, the surface charge, electronic cluster, ion cluster form the surface charge, such optical formation. Then these optical formation mainly electrical field, mean that phenomena produces as a electrical field, that incoming light causes the polarization of the free of electron with respect to the heavier ionic core, that spherical nanoparticles, means the difference of this nanoparticle act as an the manner of dipolar oscillations of this electron. Means such briefly application related for the optical, but basically example related only the our syllabus only the optical properties, and that optical property related the example that the sphere of the shape of the gold of nanoparticle give red color, flat gold and nanoparticle give the blue colors also. Okay, produces by the optical properties. And then next is the quantum size effect related for the optical property. In that quantum size, the optical properties of a nano material also arises due to the quantum size effect, and that quantum size shows that when the size of a nano crystal is smaller than de Broglie wavelength, that electrons and hole are confined to the electrical dipole, and that forming to the discrete energy level also. And that discrete energy levels means the similar to the application related for the particle in the box also, and that energy separation in between the adjacent level increases with the decreasing the dimension, means the quantum application that related for the quantum application the particle in the box. Okay, that the separation in between the adjacent level increases, that decreasing the dimension. And such a representation pictorial representations of the quantum uh, size effect means that the change in arises due to the density of the electronic energy level, that function of the size and change, that strong variation of this optical electrical property with the size. And this quantum size effect occur mostly in the semiconductor nanoparticle. Band gap increases with the decreasing the size, that band gap increases with decreasing the size, and resulting this interband transition for the higher frequency. And then first is a mechanical, second is the optical, and third is the electrical or the electronic property. So electrical and electronic property says important role in electrical property, that electrical property related to the surface scattering, then change of electronic structure, then quantum transport effect of the microstructure. Such a property based on this related, that is the surface scattering, changing electronic structure, quantum transport, and then effect of the nanostructure. Then surface scattering, that surface scattering related for the electrical conductivity of the metal also, and that electrical conductivity related for the ratio, that the thermal resistivity ratio, and that thermal resistivity ratio, that the definition, that formula related for the thermal resistivity. Then next one is the change in electronic structure, and that changing electronic structure characteristic means the reduction of the characteristic dimension of the critical size for the de Broglie result, that change in electronic structure leading and winding of the band gap. Such a change of result reduces the electrical conductivity, and that nanowires means in basic electronic structure use the metal nanowires. Okay, so these nanowire under the transition to become the semiconductor, that insulator of this use in that diameter are reduces below the critical in the diameter also. And then quantum transport, and that quantum transport related for the it occur when the length of conductor is smaller than electronics, the mean free path in the case of each transfer wavelength conducting channel is contributed, that formula related for GO is equal to 2e square of h. A basic importance of this quantum transport means the uh, ballistic transport form in the quantum transport, that no energy dissipated and no elastic scattering take place in the elastic scattering occur in the transition of a coefficient of the electrical conduction is the reduces. Such a relation related for then tunneling means the that tunneling metal to electron and the insulator means it is involved, means the charge transport through the insulating media, that separating the two conductor closely separated by the two semiconductor that overlap with that the insulator, and that thickness thin is layer increases, the electrical conductivity also decreases. Then such a microscopic structure related for the polymer fiber, that polymer and fiber increases, the electron conductivity also increases. And some briefly application related for the nanotechnology in related for the medicine also, then military purpose, then electronic purposes, optical engineering, optical devices, nanotechnology used in the drug, that for the cancer treatment also, then also used for the fabric. Then nanotechnology, it is nanotechnology in mobiles, so mobile use for the nanotechnology. Then nanotechnology also used in the electronics, so electronics use means the electrode made up of the nanowires, that electrode most of made up of these the nanowires, and that nanowires used for the nanography, and that nanography used for the fabrications of the chip, they are the seen to the fabrication chip. Then flexible plastic will be used, and then e-paper, display the sunglasses use करण्यासाठी पण use केला जातो, that e-paper display the sunglasses, and the car windshield also used for the nanomaterials. Then nanotechnology in computers, so nanotechnology, that silicon transistor, म्हणजे your computer may be replaced by the transistor based on the carbon nanotube, and these nano rods, it upcoming the technology of the display this technique for the nanomaterials, that related for the nanotechnology in the computer. And some other related for these nanotechnology means cutting purposes, cutting tools made up of for the cutting for the nanocrystalline materials such as tungsten carbide, titanium carbide, it also used to wear for the last and longer convectional for use for the nanomaterials. And these nanoparticles also based of the synthetic bones also, and aerogel means light known solid due to the good insulating property used for the used for this phased in the aerocraft. Such applications and uses for the nanotechnology, and that nanotechnology used in the nanotechnology in India, the IITM Mumbai, that premium organized to the field of the nanotechnology, and that nanotechnology research of the field of health, environment, medicine purposes. And that nanotechnology, the main objective of these nano missions is the basic research for the promotion, infrastructure development for carrying out front ranking of the research, and development of the nanotechnology and their application, that main objective and the missions related for the nanotechnology in India. And then human resource development also, and international collaborations also used for the nanotechnology in the India. Such a most